You know what? Over the years, I feel like I've developed severe impatience. For example, tying my shoelace, putting my foot in the shoe. I remember when I was a kid, I didn't mind so much, especially when I was just learning to tie my shoelaces. I was excited to put on my shoes. Now, when I can't get it in one go, and then I have to loosen it, I am so impatient. And I'm just trying to remind myself, hey, when you were young, this was fun for you, you know? You get to tie your shoelaces, your bunny ears way of tying it, where you do this. And I didn't know that not everyone ties their shoelace bunny ears. I didn't know that there's another way that I am okay not to learn because it's the same. But bunny ears, a reminder to be more patient.